So, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, people, you, stand by one while I put on my glove. Spring arrived on the calendar on the 20th or 21st of March, depending on which Kool-Aid you drink. But right now, it's the 5th of April. On the Gaspé Peninsula in Chandler. Anyway, the snow has stopped falling, sort of, but now there's just the wind. So there's a lot of snow, which is just kind of like happens. But to be happening like 2 weeks into spring, it just seems a bit late in the year. Anyway, I'm just gonna take it for a quick tour and maybe talk. I don't know if the wind will mess up the microphone, so that's why I did the introduction while I put my gloves on. I'm going out now to see the snowbanks that have formed with the wind. Mind you, it's like 12:30 at night, so Thursday morning. Hopefully it won't be too dark. It's my walking stick, lol. This is where I came out before. So everything's pretty heavy snowed up. Sorry. Yeah. I came out to see what we were going to be in for in the morning. And this is what I came up with. Came up against, sorry. I'm just trying to keep my feet and the camera steady. It's a shadow from the light. Okay, so I'll do how much detail you can get. The waters are very rough. High stormy seas. And everything is covered in a good fresh, in the non-built up areas, just the standard areas, good fresh 12 to 14 inches, not centimeters, inches. So yeah, just keep using the, and it's like that wet, heavy, late winter snow. It's gonna be a bitch to shovel. So here's the van. You can see how good it looks down there. This is going in the low light, or if you can hear me because of the wind. Anyway, crappy, very dark, probably can't see caca, lots of snow. 12:30 in the morning. I moved the wheelie bins to wheelie bins there in the hope of the guy, when he came to clear the driveway, would come over here, because I had the wheelie bins here. Now 3 feet of snow used to be flat, and I could park them there on level surface. The melt had started. Those were high, but now inundated again. Heavy snowfall. Heavy snow. When we get up towards the road, the new LED street lamps, you should be able to get more vision. So stay with me. This wind is getting windier. It's because the house was sheltering me before. Your feet where they were before, instead of making new tracks. So freaky much snow. It's been snowing for maybe 18 hours straight. Well, that was about an hour ago, but anyway. Here we are on the 132. Checking out this caca. Because it's unbelievable to have caca like this at this time of the year. We had Look at there. You see, that's like, see, a foot of snow. The plain areas. There. Over it. Mother of grabbers. Over it. Over it. Moody. Nasty. Yeah. So yeah. Freaky lots of snow. Freaky darn it to heck. And now the wind's gonna maybe reshape things a bit, but it's already done its damage with regard to my place. I'm going anywhere until my driveway snow clearing dude, his tractor and what have you, come and clear the driveway. And as of now, nobody's clearing anything. Probably around 3-4 in the morning, the sound of tractors will start to fill the air as the snow clearers clean people's driveways so they can get to work in the morning. Oh my god, what a day. I think I'll turn it off now. Peace out. Oh, guess what? I gotta take my glove off to hit pause. So, like I'm tapping pause and nothing's happening. Stand by one, it's gonna get shaky. And there. Bye now.